good morning. Welcome to day 3 of Rally Periods 2018. Today's the day of twisties. We're leaving Zurich and heading up into the mountain roads. Some amazing roads, loads of hairpins, stunning views, etc. Once we've gone over the mountains, we're going to go down to Lake Como. Beautiful lakes, lovely ice cream parlours apparently. I haven't visited one yet, but we'll get to see one today. And we're heading into Milan, so it should be a fantastic driving day for everyone involved. And I look forward to telling you all about it tomorrow. Thanks a lot. So I'm here this morning with
Karen Jones
and
Wayne Jones.
Smashing, guys. And what are you doing this year's rally in?
Audi TT RS.
Audi TT RS. And what power is that?
440 horsepower with the modifications.
With the modifications. 440. Excellent vehicle to obviously do this in. So we're on day 3 now. So yesterday we had day 2. What were your highlights from that yesterday?
It's always fun travelling through France. Great to travel in the convoy, have the banter on the radio. That's always great fun as well. But actually also one of the highlights is seeing people when they pass us, checking out the cars, looking at the stickers. We've had some children waving, and also when we were queuing to go through into the Swiss border, people asking, what's this about? And being able to say, check us out, you know, look on social media. So that was the highlight yesterday, just the attention that we were getting from the public for the rally.
Well, you've got a really good day today because we're heading for twisties. So yeah, look forward to it. I'll hearing about it for when we get to the hotel this evening.
Fantastic.
Thanks a lot, guys. Cheers.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Incredible.
The prank wars have started.
Good morning, welcome to day 4 of Rally Heroes 2018. So we've had the twisties yesterday, going over the mountain passes. Today's a bit of a more cultured, subdued day. We're heading from Milan into Venice. A few of the groups are heading off via the Lamborghini Museum, and the rest will be heading into Venice for some cultural delights. So I'll leave that for today and look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Thank you. This morning I'm here with
Lorena McLaughlin
and
Caroline Hobbs.
Smashing. Okay, and I noticed we're stood in front of this very pretty BMW. Can you tell me a little bit about this car that you're driving on the event?
Yeah, indeed, it's the BMW M2, the new BMW M2, which has kindly been given to us to review for the week. So it's an absolutely mighty motor car. We've both been blown away by its performance and are enjoying every second of its actually air-conditioned splendour in this horrific weather.
And God, I know everyone's going to know, so what power output is this at then?
So this is the 3-litre version, so this is the prelude to the competition version which is coming out. So it is just insanely fast, but obviously that's not the key principle of the car. So it's so easy to do long motorway work. Yesterday up on the passes, to be able just to whack it into sport mode, and just the agility of the car is absolutely mind-blowing, and these brakes are just take breath away. Yeah.
Very important part of that. The bonnet, we've got this Sisterhood of Speed. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, sure. So Sisterhood of Speed is a fairly new organisation, which is in theory a sorority of women who are petrol heads. So the key is we race, we ride, we rally and we review. So it's a combination, if you will, of Vogue magazine and Octane. So there's a whole group of ladies that do all of those mentioned activities, and nobody really engages or talks to us. So we've set up the Sisterhood of Speed to provide an umbrella under which all those ladies can come and play.
Cracking, sounds good. Okay. Well, on the note, we're talking about the brakes and everything from yesterday. So, past 24 hours, what was the highlight of yesterday's trip?
The passes.
the passes, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, they're just amazing. Stunning scenery.
So we did
Beautiful,
3
beautiful.
passes yesterday. We had the System Pass, and do you know what? I've forgotten the name of the other 2 passes we went on. But it is absolutely beautiful going up there, isn't it? And
Yeah,
I think this
yeah.
car was just superb.
Absolutely.
Smashing
I mean,
those.
the brakes are fantastic.
Oh, it's superb.
They're like Formula 1 cars.
Okay. Well, that's great. Thank you very much, ladies, and enjoy today, the Day of Culture at Venice. So have fun. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, Tom. Bye.